Hey guys! Welcome again to Honey's Kitchen. I would like to thank everyone who's always watching on my videos. Thank you for your love and support. For those who are new on my channel, welcome. On my previous videos, you joined with me as I was harvesting my raspberry. For today's video, we will be making a raspberry jam out of the raspberry that we harvested a few days ago. If you would like to know how to do this, keep on watching. So this is my harvest for 2 times already, and I found that it's already lots. So today I decided to make this into a raspberry jam. So first we gonna wash it in running water. So I have here running water going on, and you just gonna pour it slowly. And just a quick rinse. And then next we gonna measure this to determine how much sugar we need. So we're gonna use our measuring cup. So that's 1 cup, and this is the second cup. So it's 2 cups of raspberry. So when I do a jam, I always do 2 parts of fruit and 1 part of sugar. So that's 2 parts of fruit. So we will measure 1 cup of sugar. Okay, so we'll just gonna pour in our sugar. And we're gonna put it in the fire to cook our raspberry jam. So when you put it in the heat, I put it in the medium, and then medium heat, and then you stir it properly so the sugar will gonna coat into your raspberry. Oh, by the way, as you can see, I have some particles there of strawberry because I have an overripe strawberry in the fridge, so I also included that. And then we're just gonna leave it there cooking in a medium heat until it becomes thick. now, as you notice that it becomes thicker and then it goes down, because earlier it was up to here, so meaning to say that the water in it already evaporates. So what I do, because I don't have a pectin, I don't have a powder on it, so this is just purely fruit and sugar. So to determine when it is ready, I just gonna put a little bit of this in a small bowl, and then I'm gonna put this in the freezer for a few minutes. If it becomes thick, then my jam is ready. Okay, so let's gonna check our jam that I put a few minutes earlier in the freezer, and it's thick. So this is the consistency that I wanted. So let's gonna turn off, because I don't want it too thick. I just want it like this, so it's easy to spread on your toast. And then we're gonna put it on our jars. So there you go, I already put it in the jar. I also sterilize this jar while I'm cooking the jam, so I don't normally boil it after I put in the jar. Some do, they boil it to sterilize it, but me, I don't need to do this process. And this is also a recycling jar. So this is our, when we buy a jam before, so I keep all those jars, clean it nicely, and then you can use that recycle stuff so you can save your money. And then we will let it cool down completely, and before we gonna store it to your storage place, just gonna cover it tightly and let it cool down completely. So this is the finished product of our raspberry jam for today. I hope you learn a little bit of that, and hope you're gonna also do it yourselves when you, not only for raspberries, or when you have some other fruits, so you can save money from buying your jam. With this, I didn't spend too much. I only spent 1 cup of sugar, and that's it. Before you go, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification bell so you will be updated when I will upload another amazing videos. Thank you everyone for watching. Please take care, stay safe, stay healthy, have a good day, and I will see you again on my next video.